In this video, I am going to demonstrate toy reward assessment with Cider. We will be following the steps in the training plan of Lesson 1 found on pages 28 and 29 of Paul's book. I've pre-selected toys that Cider has played with and placed them in a loose pile, ensuring none of them are moving. Looks like she's going with the blue Chew King. So for each trial, Cider is inside the house while I arrange the toys. She's then brought to the deck where she can pick a toy off leash. When she picks a toy, I don't play with her. I simply walk back towards the house where she usually drops the toy before entering. I close the door and then come back and record the toy she selected. I move all the toys around for the next trial. It's the blue Chew King again. So it goes back in the pile again, and we do the last trial of Assessment 1. Alright, it looks like the Chew King is definitely the jackpot reward. So I'm going to now remove that toy and continue with Assessment number 2. I'll be repeating this process for a total of 3 assessments with 3 trials each. And it looks like this time she's chosen the bite pillow. So it goes back in the pile. I move everything around. We'll see if she picks it again a second time. Yep. Looks like this is definitely going to be her second choice of reward in the hierarchy. And again, I'm not playing with her when she picks the toy. Here I just write down that it is the toy that she chose the most for Assessment 2. I put her back in the house. The bite pillow is now removed. And we go on for Assessment 3. We'll do another few trials here, and that'll wrap up Lesson 1.